Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a beautiful enchanted forest. This forest was home to all kinds of magical creatures, fairies, unicorns, talking animals, and even a friendly dragon named Spark. One sunny day, a little girl named Lily stumbled upon the forest while she was out exploring. She was amazed by the beauty of the tall, sparkling trees and the flowers that glowed in every color of the rainbow. As she walked deeper into the forest, she heard a soft, musical voice. "Hello, Lily," the voice said. "Welcome to the enchanted forest." Lily looked around and saw a tiny fairy with shimmering wings hovering in front of her. "Hello, how do you know my name?" Lily asked, astonished. "I'm Flora, the guardian fairy of this forest. We magical beings know all the good-hearted children who might visit us." Flora explained with a smile. Flora invited Lily to meet her friends. They went to a clearing where a group of fairies were dancing around a ring of mushrooms. There was also a unicorn with a golden horn and Spark, the friendly dragon, who breathed out tiny puffs of glittering smoke. "We have a problem, Lily," Flora said. "Our magical spring, which gives the forest its enchantment, is drying up. We need your help to find the crystal of life to restore it." Lily agreed to help and set off on her quest with Flora, Spark, and the unicorn. They ventured through the forest, crossing rivers and climbing hills. Finally, they reached a dark cave guarded by a giant troll. "You cannot pass unless you solve my riddle," the troll boomed. He then recited the riddle. "I am not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?" Lily thought hard and then exclaimed, "A fire." The troll smiled and stepped aside, allowing them to enter the cave. Inside, they found the crystal of life glowing brightly. They carefully took the crystal and hurried back to the magical spring. When they placed the crystal in the spring, the water started to flow again, sparkling with magic. The forest bloomed with even more beauty than before, and all the creatures cheered with joy. "Thank you, Lily," Flora said. "You have saved our home." Lily smiled and hugged her new friends. "I'm so happy I could help." Flora waved her wand, and in an instant, Lily found herself back at the edge of the forest, holding a small, sparkling flower as a token of their friendship. From that day on, Lily knew that she could visit the enchanted forest whenever she wanted. And she carried the magic of the forest in her heart forever. Moral of the story: bravery and kindness can overcome any challenge. And helping others brings joy and magic into our lives. I hope you enjoyed the story.